Okay, a quick way to input 2 meter band repeater on the UV-5R. The requested one was GB3PW. It receives on 145.775, and with the 600 kilohertz offset, it transmits on 145.175, and you need a CTCSS tone of 103.5 hertz to access it. So, you know, not a lot needed. Now you can use chirp. A lot of people use chirp. I use chirp, but for 1 or 2 repeaters, it's just as quick, if not quicker, to do it via the keypad. The reason I say that is when you're using chirp, you need obviously the data cable, and with the data cable you need the correct drivers for the operating system that you're using. And I'll tell you what, Windows 10 especially always mucks things up, and you'll plug in your radio and then it will tell you that there's nothing on the COM port, or the radio can't be found, and you know, and by the time you've sorted it all out, you could have programmed in 6 repeaters. The only thing you can't do on the keypad is alphanumeric, so you can't put in, for instance, if I show you
channel mode,
if I go down to various channels, where are we? Right, I'm going the wrong way, obviously. There you go. You can see I've got all my repeaters that I want all put in as alphanumeric. So, you know, I can go straight to the repeater. Anyway, so let's start off in frequency mode. So we're starting off in frequency mode. And first off, you want to put your input frequency, or your receive at the your receive frequency that you receive from the repeater. Please correct me if you watch this video and you think I didn't understand what you just said, because you know, I tend to ramble and waffle. Okay, so we put in 145.775. That's what you would receive from the repeater. So the first thing we want to do, we want to assign it a channel. So if we do menu, and you want the memory channel, which is 27. Press menu.
memory channel.
And now you need to assign it a number. Let's use 112. That's far enough away from everything that I've programmed in. So we're putting it into memory 112. There's 128 memories. It goes from 000 to 127. Anyway, so memory channel.
Memory channel.
Sorry, it timed out there because I was waffling. So let's use, there you go, 11, what do we say, 112. So press memory, menu. So it's now telling you it's the receiving memory. Okay, exit. Now put in your transmit memory. This is the frequency that you're going to be transmitting up to the repeater. So that is 145, and that's 175. Okay, go into menu. You want the memory channel again.
Memory channel.
We said we was going into 112, was it? Yep, 112. Press menu.
Transmitting.
So now it's now receiving on 145.775, and when you press transmit, it will go to 145.775 or 175. Okay, so we now go to the channel mode, and we're in it now. You can see where my thumb is. We're in channel 112. Okay, so if we press menu, we want now menu number 13. So menu 13, let's get the light right on that. Menu 13 is CTCSS. Press menu. Okay, and then use your up arrows to, he requested 103.5. 103.5, press menu.
Confirm.
Now then, if we exit, you can see on this radio, 145. Let's plug an aerial in. I only took the aerial out to make it less unwieldy while I was showing this video. But you can see 145775 is receiving that repeater. When I press transmit, you can see the offset. The offset is there, plus minus. We know it's set to minus. There you go. So when I transmit, so we're receiving 145775. When I transmit 145175. Also, when I transmit, you'll notice up here CT. That shows us that the CT CSS tone is activated. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Now, of course, to make that display, to make it say, you know, I don't know, GB3 PW, you've got to use chirp for that. But basically, GB3 PW is now programmed in on my UV-5R. And it's taken, what, less than 5 minutes. I mean, with all the waffle. I mean, I can program one of these in you know, in like a minute or two. But yeah, so it's receiving 145775, transmits 145175 with a CT CSS tone. As you can see, it says there, and you know it's on a repeater because you've got your plus and minus offsets there. That's it. That's it. It's all you need.